Alrighty, class.
Yes.
Alright, okay, that's better. Thank you. Appreciate it. Now, 8.4, compound interest, and what page are we on in the notebook?
12.
11.
It is 11. Okay, it is 10 and 11. So, this one is just like the previous one, where the homework, I didn't give you the regular homework page, I'm having you do in my lab. Because it's step by step, you're gonna have to put it in, and you're gonna have multiple parts to it. So, how, like in general, how do you guys think about doing the MyLab? Is that better? Yes? Okay,
No.
any no's?
No.
Got a couple no's?
I prefer paper.
Huh?
I prefer paper.
Yeah, I do too. Okay, but some people, so I think I want to try a little bit of both. A little bit of both, a little bit here, a little bit there. Okay, so on the complicated homeworks, try and do it like the online, but stuff that we could just do, worksheet type thing, yeah, as much as we can. But on page 10, which I'm going to highly recommend, this is what I want you guys to do. Number your problems as you're doing it and show your work on page 10 because why do we take these notes?
To learn.
Besides that,
To use them for later.
use them for later, right? So to use it for later, you're going to want to have your examples written out. Can I use this on a test?
Yes.
Yes, and that's what you really want to have. You want to have this as a reference for your test later on. So just writing down nothing, or even worse, just a hodgepodge of mess of numbers, that doesn't work. I'm helping you get organized for this test. Yes.
When is our next step?
I think, like I said, I think we're up to 8.6 in this unit, so there should be 2 more units. So that could be a max of 2 weeks. Okay? So I want to try and get it in there soon enough. All right, there we go. So, again, write out your problems as you're doing it, even though they're doing it online. Compound interest. Use compound interest formulas, calculate, blah, blah. Okay, so, through here, compound interest is interest computed on the original principal as well as any accumulated interest. To calculate compound interest paid once a year, we use this formula right here. And if you notice, the t, where is the t located at? It's up, right? So that's the exponent. Now, the key on your calculator that you're going to use is right here. It's going to look like this. It is called a caret. That's a button you have to use to be able to put something into the exponent. Right? Yes? Good. So, as you're doing this, we're going to do it item by item to show how to plug these in. A is future value. P is principal value. R rate, T time, number of years. Write out the formula. A equals P parentheses 1 plus R raised to the T, right? Jess?
Yeah.
Jess. So, I'm just writing out the formula. Now, you deposit $2,000 to the savings account at Hometown Buffet, which has a rate of 1.6%. Step A, find the amount A. Oh, that's even easier. That means I'm looking for variable A. That's going to help me out. So I know it's going to end up being A equals P. What is the P in this case?
2,000.
2,000.
It is 2,000, right? Parentheses, 1 plus 0.16 because it's the 1.6%, and I have to end it as a decimal.
0.016. Power 3.
Now, right here, it says find the amount A of money in the account after 3 years, subject to compound interest. So this exponent here is a 3. You people plug these in right now. I'm going to come around and make sure you guys are doing this right. Yes, Debbie. I think you have too many zeros here. Yeah, you got too many zeros. Yep. 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 Okay. All right, so A. 2097. 0.54, right?
Yes.
Okay, not bad, right? So from here, for part B, find the interest. Now, to find the interest, I would do my A minus P. The A, which is my amount, my future value, which is 20, there we go. Minus 2,000, which is going to give me
$97.54.
¿Es muy fácil? Sí, muy fácil. Muy, muy, muy. Huh? You know what? And it's funny because you just said that in Spanish. So, yeah, my 7th hour is horrible. Okay, I have a whole bunch of people that don't speak any English, and so I've been working on my Spanish, and I have horrible Spanish skills, and they laugh at me all the time. I'm like, ha ha ha! That's me laughing at your mouth skills, though. Anyway, so let's go ahead. This next one.
Well, it's not 40. 44 is crazy.
Bad. Bad. No mas.
Oh my
I gave you 5 minutes. If you deposit P dollars at a rate of R in decimal form, subject to compound interest paid N times per year, then amount A of money in the account after T years is given by this formula here. A is called the account's future, and P is principal. Now, this is actually the same thing, but now it has N. So that's how many times it's going to be computed. Off to the side, you guys are doing, writing this out. So if I'm computed, let's say yearly, or also referred as annually. Okay, N is 1. Next one, monthly. N is
30.
12.
Well,
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
all right. So next one would be quarterly. N is 4. Semi-annually. N is 2. Daily.
that equals
D.
65.
There you go. Day. Why is that so? D.
That deal was perfect.
There we go. So, you're writing this down because you're going to need this later. Here's some other weird ones that you might see, but not for the homework. Like bi-monthly or bi-annually,
Bi-weekly bitches.
bi-weekly, yeah. But these are the standards. All right. Right here. You deposit $7,500 in a savings account that has a rate of 1.2%. The interest is compounded monthly. How much will you have after 5 years? I'm going to write out the formula first. A equals P parentheses 1 plus R divided by N. You're going to put that in as a fraction. N times T. Okay? Now, let's start plugging in the numbers. We're looking for how much money will you have. So which variable am I looking for here?
A.
I'm looking for A, right? Hey. Do it! Quit slacking.
I did.
I'm gonna, listen, one more time, I'm gonna put you in the corner. Okay? I don't wanna hear it again.
Caillou's distracted.
Caillou.
Caillou. He ain't
You
wrong.
You just love that now, don't you?
Yeah.
Love.
Okay.
You're not gonna follow.
I know, right? See? Damn, what a jerk. Do your work. He's trying to help you pass, too.
He's telling me I'm on the wrong page.
Some people. All right.
That's why he got the nickname Caillou.
A equals, what's the P value?
7,500.
Parentheses, 1 plus, what's the rate?
0.012.
It is 1.2, so it's 0.012 over. So, you need to put that in the calculator as a fraction. How do I do a fraction in the calculator?
You control divide.
Yep, control divide. And N, what is N?
12.
I'm going to use 12 for N. Close, caret, raise it up. 12 times 5. Now, you people are doing the work. I'm going to come around and make sure you guys got this right. I don't know. It's almost like me trying to yell at Dougie. Did you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, good job, Dougie.
That's not
What about this? My thing.
Wait, let me.
that one.
It's just.
Times. That's a times.
Wait, hold on.
What'd you get? I can't see. Okay. Okay. You got it yet? Yeah. Good job.
Did you do 12?
Good job.
1.5?
Still working?
12.9?
Okay.
You do 12.95?
Good job. Hours there. Ah.
Wait, this is
Good.
12.5.
That's you.
Still
This is
working.
yours.
Oh, you did work.
This is mine. I just did it twice.
Good job, Debbington. Where's yours?
This isn't mine.
Abington.
This is 12.5.
Okay.
You did twice.
Lincoln.
I'll put a stick on the back of my shoe that says you need to.
Good job. Oh, no, I don't like that. It's not 12.5, it's 12 times 12.
You did it on
Change
purpose.
to 12 times
Oh,
12.
no. Oh, no.
Yeah, you were wrong.
Okay.
You put a .5.
Why you put a .5?
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm not worried.
You're wrong. Okay. All right, do me a favor. What's that say over here? Read the exponents. What'd you put? You, it's not dyslexic. You put a 3, not 5? That's not. Ugh. Anyway. All right, so for those people that are doing it, A is going to give me 7, 9, what?
6, 3, 5, 4.
Alrighty. So I was going around, just a little typos. We fixed those, hopefully. Except other people putting in weird stuff. I don't know who would do that. Now, part B says find the interest. How would I find the interest? Subtract, right? So for that one would be my A minus P. So what was it? 29. No, 79, 63. Ah, dang it, going. There you go. Minus 7,500, which gives me
463.
very good. Es muy bueno, muy bueno, muy. Good job. All right, questions, concerns, complaints, conspiracy theories.
No. You need conspiracy theory, come on, man. Mars is from Mars. He's a Martian.
Okay. All right. Anyway, we're gonna leave off right here for today. Now, listen. Monday is an I day. You better pay attention. Hey, you, thing 1 and thing 2. Okay. Monday is an I day. I'm doing example 3 on Monday on a video. Your job is to go do the notes and do some more of the homework. Yeah. So I will post up that video. Hopefully I can post it today so you could actually do it now. But I need a little bit of time to actually do that. So everyone right now, please, I want you guys starting on the homework. Please take out your laptops.